Have you ever wondered what is written in the Voynich manuscript? The Voynich manuscript is a manuscript from the 1400s and it's considered undecipherable. No human nor AI has been able to solve it in hundreds of years. And because of this mystery and this mythos surrounding it, it sort of acts like a self-fulfilling prophecy, or at least that's my theory. If you tell someone enough that something can't be done, they'll believe it. But if I've learned anything from Kelsia Johnson and Nakia Jackson, it's that what's advertised as impossible likely isn't. These two high school girls proved the Pythagorean theorem with 5 proofs. They basically resolved a 2,000-year-old mathematical dead end. They basically solved a 2,000-year-old riddle. When this story came out, it was such an inspiration to me. I'm going to show you an example of my translation from 75V, but if you like this kind of content, definitely follow along. I'm not making any money off of this. This is just a fun project that I started over a year ago. So I'm going to read out the direct translation through Modern Irish. The actual definitions of the Irish words are listed in my GitHub and also in my Substack. The word for fibers or handiwork, the word for hooded garment, the word for dam or tapping, like tapping each other with your hand, and then the word for cord line. Next we have the word for handing. Then we have the word for to maiden, which could mean between maidens or from maidens. Next we have a curious word that I'm not entirely sure about. It could either mean frame, like the framing of something, or saucy girl. In the medieval times, the word saucy, though, did not have the same connotations. Saucy could have been related to sass, but also could have been related to medicinal salt or brining. Next, we have backward current, the word for backward current. Next, we have the word for creek and the word for toward. Next, we have the word for identify. And then we have the word for either little lyre, like the musical instrument, little lyre, little ocean, or little defect. These are all homonyms, so it's not exact. Next word we have little basin of canal, ditch, trench. Then we have the word for plug, or possibly the word for standing stone. They're both homonyms. Then we have the word tiny creature. Then we have the verb to catch, and next, early morning. Lastly, we have the word for song, but it also has a homonym that sounds like riverain or a small river. And lastly, we have the word athlon, which is the word for second line or inner line retrenchment.